Okay, apparently my recording stopped, and I had no idea. So, this is episode 4, Happy Wheels style, and this isn't really Happy Wheels now, is it? No, I'm on a pogo stick, and it's not a very happy one. Look at that. Getting into the. Okay, I'm done with this stuff. Okay, well, I don't know what to do. You're focused on this, so you're gonna probably like see the video. LMFAO.